that these are the foundational years. These are the years to learn the value of completion, the value of persevering, the value of not quitting. You will learn that taking an assignment and then taking it to the outcome and then living with it and growing it is a long cycle. You need to persevere through it. It is never always all fun. In fact, it is only 20% times fun. 80% time, it is grind. It is dry, high friction grind. And 20% enjoyment of that work is actually divided in 10-10. The first 10 right at the start, then there is a 80% grind in the middle, and then the last 10 is at the end. And most of the people don't reach the last end because they don't cover the 80% grind, because you quit in between, or you start, dilly-dallying. When you start complaining, then you start, justifying it by, so many reasons. So integrity is something that can be only learned by practicing whatever you are doing, whatever you have picked up. Stay there, continue to build it. Second, I will say, is to learn loyalty. Loyalty is not really about staying with a company, staying with a customer, staying with the work. Loyalty is inside you. Loyalty is towards the mission. आपने बोला आप ये वाला काम करेंगे, तो अगले 5 साल ही करिए ना. कभी क्विट नहीं करना क्या? मेरे को नहीं पता. बट मेरा मन नहीं है, उससे बेहतर आंसर होना चाहिए. मेरे को मजा नहीं आ रहा. मतलब, कैन यू हैव अ बेटर एक्सप्लेनेशन देन दैट? मजा नहीं आ रहा. This was not, you are not supposed to only enjoy it. Because I know, and the hard truth is that anybody who tells me that I tried that and maza nahi aa raha tha, and I can tell them that dope nahi aa raha tha. आप जो भी कर रहे थे, अगर आप उसमें जीतने लगते तो मजा आ जाता. तो बेसिकली आपका मजा इस बात पर डिपेंडेंट है whether you were losing or winning. So technically, you quit whatever you lose. Now that is disloyal. You're disloyal to your own idea. You're disloyal to people who are trying to teach you. You're disloyal to the mission that you signed up for. In your 20s, in your early 20s, learning integrity, perseverance, and loyalty will actually take you very, very, really, really long way.